Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab E10 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on About Tablet because we have to localize a special number which is called build number. So let's scroll down a little bit, and as you can see it is right here. So right now we have to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. So now we can go back to the general, maybe not to the general settings, but to the system settings, and the developer options will appear, not disappear. So let's simply tap on it, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can force the GPU rendering, we can change the transition animation scale, show surface updates, visual feedback for taps. Here we've got also options which are connected with networking because we've got the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on the option to activate the feature. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, like for example here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to customize. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on the switcher at the top. As you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system settings, the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.